In the hush of dawn, where mountains breathe and petals fall like whispers, there lies Japan. This captivating nation is an archipelago, a mosaic of over 6,800 islands stretching from the northern reaches of Hokkaido to the tropical shores of Okinawa. Its diverse landscapes offer a symphony of natural contrasts, from the serene, snow-covered peaks that touch the sky to the fiery volcanoes that stand as ancient sentinels. Vast verdant rice terraces cascade down hillsides, reflecting the sky like shattered mirrors, while gentle ocean waves caress rocky and coral shores. The delicate beauty of falling cherry blossoms paints the air, a fleeting spectacle that embodies the transient elegance of life itself. Even in its bustling metropolises, like the iconic Tokyo skyline, a sense of calm pervades, especially as dawn breaks. Here, nature and precision dance in quiet harmony, a testament to Japan's enduring spirit and profound connection to its land.
Every bow carries respect. Every ritual, a memory. From the delicate grace of the tea ceremony to the powerful spectacle of sumo, Japan's traditions are a tapestry of contrasts. The vibrant colors and intricate patterns of kimonos tell stories of generations, embodying beauty and cultural heritage. Echoes of the samurai resonate through ancient castles, while Edo-era streets whisper tales of a bygone era. The enduring spirit of Hiroshima stands as a testament to resilience, a powerful narrative of hope amidst adversity. Zen gardens, with their meticulously raked gravel and carefully placed stones, invite quiet contemplation and inner peace. Forest shrines, nestled deep within ancient woods, offer a sacred connection to nature and the divine. The quiet wisdom of monks, found in their meditative practices, guides a path towards profound understanding. This rich heritage, woven through daily life, celebrates a deep respect for both the past and the present. A reverence for stillness, for the unseen, for the eternal.
In the hum of bullet trains and the glow of neon, Japan shapes tomorrow without forgetting yesterday. Each dish, from the delicate artistry of sushi to the comforting depth of ramen, tells a story of patience and soul. Matcha, whisked with ancient grace, offers a moment of serene tradition, a taste of Japan's enduring spirit. From the flowing strokes of calligraphy to the intricate folds of origami, art here is a dance between ancient ink and digital dreams. Manga, a vibrant tapestry of imagination, captures hearts globally, bridging generations with its unique narratives. The proverb, "Fall 7 times, stand up 8, echoes a profound wisdom, a testament to unwavering resilience. This philosophy permeates every aspect of life, from bustling city streets to tranquil gardens, inspiring perseverance. Japan is not just a place. It's a feeling of stillness, of strength, of stories waiting to be heard.